It's morning in my place. Yeah.
Hi guys! Hi Cherries! Pampot, say hi.
Hi, cherries.
Today we're going to be playing Kawaii Craft Part 2.
Yes. And
See it again.
you can make it like a game.
Pampot, say I'm not stuck in the forest again.
I'm not stuck in the forest again. Yeah.
Guys, I'm back.
Wait, Atelia.
Yeah?
Do you have the same house? Do you have like armor? Do you have armor?
No, I don't have any armor.
How did the craft?
No! I didn't mean to let them in! Yes, guys, I didn't want to let them in. I told you not. I
Oh
don't
my
want
gosh, I have
them
a bongo.
in my
I have a
home.
bongo picture, Atelia.
Really?
Do you have a piano in your house?
No, I didn't put any piano in my house because I don't have full
Do you have
storage.
Do you have a carpet?
I had a carpet before, but I removed it from my storage.
Why?
Which one should I remove? Oh, should remove you. You're too ugly.
Who? Which one?
Okay, I'll just buy armor. I bought the armor. Then throw this. And then... Sorry, Pampot, I'm trying to copy you.
Coffee what? Me?
Yeah, your
What
house
are you
cause
gonna do?
I need to copy what you said because you said, Ate Zia, do you have armor and the piano and the carpet in your house? I need to get all those things because you're asking if I have that.
Oh, wait, Atazia, and also don't forget to put it white and pink, cause it's a pattern.
White and
White and pink pattern.
but I want to get the piano. Oh my gosh, this is so special.
Oh, it's getting nighttime in my place now.
Wait, there's a Halloween bed.
Atazia,
Yeah?
can I move my sound for a while?
Why?
Cause I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
Wait for me.
How do I go back to my house? Oh, there we go. Maybe I should put like a swing on my house. Bunny, 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 you're so funny with your twitching nose. Bunny, 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 you're so funny. You have to point at bottom side for an overhanging object. Oh no, it's getting dark. I should build my... No, no, no. Bunny, 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 you're so funny. From your head.
Bakit wala ka ng ano? Meron pa naman. Pero nagulat lang ako bakit yung isang kabago-bago ko nila may bawas din. Kasi ang alam lang yung tatlo lang ang inalang ko kay tita. Bakit lang bawas siya ng isa? Ibig sabihin, tinanong niya kung nagparin pa ako ng isa. Bukang naman sa sila.
Night lens? What are these for?
Si Bala ko, may isa kasi may kasama paa. Bala ko kasi si Baby. Kasi mukha siya ng buhok.
No shitai, no shitai,
Nanahimik ka dyan na. Hindi na ako ninyo. Sige na, try ko kung paano ang bayan. Pero, see. Uy, friend!
May friend?
My friend!
No. Meron na? Uy,
What's that?
Burger.
nagkakaipis na tayo.
Mother.
Uy, yung pala.
Yoyo is telling you to play with him. No rabbits.
Kaya ako kasi, iniwanan ko kasi si Edo. Hindi ako makatapos si Korto pang ano kayo.
Oh, I totally forgot I'm recording. I am sorry, guys. I forgot I was recording, guys. Cherries. So, this is the end of our video.